Okay, so it's all cut in here now. So I'm going to put this down over here, and I'm going to take my roller set up here, and we're going to start to roll this here. And as you can see, it goes on just like a clear color. And you kind of want to like work this into the drywall here. So again, this is a water-based glue. And this is what you do too if you want to put up wallpaper. You put this stuff down first, and it seals the wall, so that if you ever want to take the wallpaper down, when you go to put the water up against the wall, the water won't be able to get through this layer here and into the face of the drywall and tear it. So we'll come down here. So that wall is done there, and now I'm going to move over here to do this one here. And when this stuff dries, it dries to a hard shell too, so it makes the wall a lot stronger. Okay, now down here. This roller isn't going to be able to get in there, so I'm going to put this one down here, and I'm going to grab my 6-inch roller here. Now this is a 1/2-inch nap here, so I'm just going to roll this in here, and now I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to kind of flatten it out, and I'm just going to go as far down as I can here. Come like this. Now come over here and go as far in there to really try to get as far back as possible. Okay. So the wall has been sealed now, and we're just going to give this some time to dry out. And once again, this is like the best thing to do if you have a utility sink that is near a wall and you want to seal it, so that if any water does get up on the wall, it's not going to ruin the drywall. So we'll be back to paint. Okay, so we've given the Gardz sealer some time to dry out here, and as you can see, it has dried out, and it's dried to a hard glue finish. So this is what I primed here, and this over here is this is it right here. You can see as I drag my thumbnail across it, it makes that noise here. And then this is the unprimed stuff here, and it's not as hard, and I can take my fingernail and gouge this because this is just paper, and this has that hard glue on it now. So what we did here is we created a vapor barrier so that any water from the sink now that gets onto the wall is not going to be able to penetrate through this Gardz here. So we never have to worry about the drywall getting ruined from the sink here. So what we're going to do next is we're going to top coat this with 2 coats of a pearl or a eggshell finish sheen, and again that sheen is going to add more protection to this too. But you definitely don't want to use a flat finish, because although the water won't be able to get through this, the water will be able to get in the flat paint, and it'll run, and it'll leave like watermarks. So you definitely want to use at least like an eggshell sheen on the top coat in here. So we'll put 2 coats of paint on this, and we'll be back just to see how it looks in the end. Okay, so we finished painting the wall here, and I did 2 coats of a primer I did 2 coats of a paint that has a primer in it, and it has covered well too. And again, this is a satin sheen, so this is just going to add further protection to the wall. So I'm going to put this light down here, and we can take this off here. Okay, so once again, if you have a utility sink that is right near the wall, and especially if it's new drywall, you definitely want to use that guard stuff to protect the wall. So thank you very much for watching this video.